Hello there! Today, let's talk about a small fruit with a big tropical taste, passion fruit. If you're over 50 and thinking about your health, especially blood sugar, this is for you. Passion fruit isn't just a sweet treat, it could be a smart addition to your diet. As we age, managing health is about small daily choices, especially what we eat. Food is powerful, and passion fruit is packed with nutrients. Its tough, wrinkled skin hides a bright, jelly-like pulp full of flavor and crunchy seeds. But the real magic is in its nutrients. We'll break down the science simply and see how passion fruit can help you feel your best. Think of this as a friendly chat about making positive, practical choices. No complicated rules, just clear info to help you feel empowered. We'll cover why blood sugar matters as we age. We'll discover what makes passion fruit special, and I'll share easy ways to add it to your routine. Let's see if passion fruit can be your new ally for better health. You might have seen it in the supermarket and wondered about it. Inside, it's a treasure, sweet, tart, and a taste of sunshine. But it's the nutrients that make it a potential secret weapon for stable blood sugar. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. This could be the start of a delicious, healthy habit. Let's get started. So, what is passion fruit? It grows on a tropical vine and comes in purple or yellow varieties. When ripe, its wrinkled skin means it's ready to eat. Cut it open, and you'll find golden pulp with edible, crunchy seeds. The flavor is a unique mix of sweet and tangy, like guava, pineapple, and citrus combined. But passion fruit is more than delicious. It's nutrient-dense. It's rich in vitamin C for immunity, vitamin A for eyes and skin, plus potassium and iron for heart and energy. Most importantly, it's packed with dietary fiber, especially when you eat the seeds. This fiber is key for blood sugar control. Passion fruit is a natural multivitamin, making it a smart choice as you age. Let's talk about blood sugar. Blood sugar, or glucose, is your body's fuel, coming mainly from carbs. Insulin helps move glucose into your cells for energy. As we age, this system can slow down, sometimes leading to insulin resistance. That means glucose stays in your blood, raising blood sugar levels. High blood sugar over time can damage blood vessels, affect your organs, and drain your energy. That's why managing blood sugar is crucial in your 50s and beyond. The good news? Small food and lifestyle choices make a big difference. Choosing foods that keep blood sugar stable protects your health and energy. It's not about fear, it's about empowerment. Understanding your body helps you make better choices. Foods like passion fruit can play a supportive role. Let's see how. How does passion fruit help with blood sugar? First, its high fiber slows digestion, releasing sugar into your bloodstream gradually. This helps prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Second, passion fruit has a low glycemic index, so it won't cause a sugar rush. Third, it contains phycyadenol, an antioxidant that may improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body can use blood sugar more effectively. So passion fruit combines fiber, low GI, and unique compounds to support stable blood sugar. It's more than just a fruit. It's a natural tool for better health. Nature really does provide powerful options. Let's see how to enjoy it. How can you add passion fruit to your life? It's easy. Eat it fresh, cut in half, scoop out the pulp and seeds, and enjoy. The seeds are full of fiber. Don't skip them. Top plain Greek yogurt or oatmeal with passion fruit for a tropical twist. Add it to porridge or overnight oats for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Stir the pulp into sparkling water for a refreshing, healthy drink. Blend it into smoothies for extra fiber and vitamins. When buying, choose fruits that are heavy and slightly wrinkled. Store ripe passion fruit in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze the pulp in ice cube trays. A little goes a long way. Use it as a natural flavor boost. Skip sugary juices or syrups. The whole fruit is best. With these simple ideas, passion fruit can easily fit into your daily routine. Enjoy experimenting. Passion fruit is healthy for most, but be mindful of allergies, especially if you're allergic to latex. If you notice itching or swelling, stop and consult your doctor. Remember, food supports your health plan. It's not a replacement for medication. Always talk to your doctor before making big diet changes. Moderation is key. 1 or 2 fruits per serving is enough. Even healthy foods can impact blood sugar if eaten in excess. Check your blood sugar before and after eating to see how your body responds. Choose fresh fruit over processed products. Avoid added sugars. Read labels and stick to the whole fruit for maximum benefit. Smart, informed choices keep you on track. Smoothies are a quick, tasty way to get nutrition. Here's a simple, blood sugar-friendly recipe. Use pulp from 2 passion fruits, half a cup of frozen berries, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk or water. Blend everything until smooth. If it's too thick, add more liquid. Pour into a glass and enjoy right away. This smoothie is packed with fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. All ingredients are low GI, so you get steady energy without a sugar spike. It's a delicious, practical way to support your health. Try it for breakfast or a snack. So, should passion fruit be part of your diet if you're managing blood sugar? Absolutely. It's not a magic cure, but it's a powerful tool for healthy living. Its fiber, low glycemic index, and unique compounds make it stand out. Consistency and balance are key. Add passion fruit to a diet rich in whole foods. Small daily choices add up to big health improvements. You're in charge of your health. I'm here to give you clear, simple info. Passion fruit is safe, nutritious, and enjoyable. Give it a try and see how you feel. It might become your new favorite ally for vibrant health. Every smart choice is an investment in your future.